Hey everyone, welcome to the overview of Schema Compare for Oracle. In this class, we're going to take a first step towards learning more about our schema and data compare tools, which is actually installing the tools. So the easiest way to install the tools is to do that from Redgate's website. So by going to the Products tab and selecting Oracle from the types of platforms. And here you have the download options for the deployment suite for Oracle. So you can go ahead and download it from this link here. I've already downloaded the installer here on my machine to save us a bit of time. So I can go ahead and run it here. First, we're presented with the list of the tools or the components that are included in the deployment suite for Oracle, which includes the Schema Compare, Data Compare, and also the source control for Oracle. I already have that tool installed here, so the only two options I have is the Schema Compare and Data Compare. So let's go ahead and make sure both are selected and hit Continue. Accept the license agreement. Specify the location where we want the tools to be installed. And hit Install. So for those of you who are new to our compare tools, they play a significant role in standardizing and improving your deployment process to higher environment, as we mentioned in our overviews video. So instead of you having to deal with handcrafted scripts and promote those scripts up the chain in a specific order, you can rely on our Schema Compare and Data Compare tools to generate those scripts and deploy those out to your environment. So join us in future videos to learn more about how you can utilize Schema Compare to generate your deployment scripts from your dev environment. Thanks for watching.